Hi and welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Kim and today in this video I'm going to show you how to cook this delicious chicken curry, and we're going to be eating it with some bread today. The Vietnamese style chicken curry is a bit different than the Indian or the Thai curry, so please stay tuned if you'd like to see how I cook this dish. Here are all the ingredients that we'll be using today. You'll need 1 cup of coconut milk, 1½ tablespoon of curry powder, 3 teaspoons of salt, 3 teaspoons of sugar, and 3 teaspoons of chicken stock, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1½ tablespoon of thinly sliced ginger, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped onion, 2 stalks of lemongrass cut and slightly bruised, 3 cups of chicken broth, 3 cups of water, 1 whole chicken chopped into big chunks, 500 grams or about a pound of potatoes, carrots, and taro cut into 1-inch size. Now we're going to marinate the chicken by adding half of the sugar, half of the salt, and we're going to add all of the curry powder in, half of the chicken stock powder. Now we're going to mix all these ingredients together. Now we're going to add in half of the chopped onion and half of the minced garlic. Then we're going to mix everything well together. Let it marinate for at least 30 minutes or overnight in the refrigerator would be the best. Now in a saucepan, I'm going to add a lot of vegetable oil and I'm going to start deep frying all the potatoes, taro, and carrot. I am deep frying the vegetables on medium-high heat until the vegetables turn a light golden brown. Then I'm going to take it out and I'm going to place it on a paper towel to help remove any excess oil. The reason I am deep frying the vegetables lightly before cooking is because I want the potatoes, taro, and carrots to keep their shape. This helps prevents them to break and become too mushy when I add them to the curry later. Now in a large pot, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil and I'm going to add in the lemongrass and ginger first to help bring the aroma out. Now I'm going to add the rest of the chopped onion and minced garlic and saute everything for about 30 seconds. Now I'm going to add in the marinated chicken and I'm going to stir well. I'm cooking the chicken on high heat right now to help sear both sides of the chicken. Once the chicken is nicely seared, I am going to add in the 3 cups of water, the 3 cups of chicken broth, and the 1 cup of coconut milk. Then give it a good stir. Then I'm going to bring everything to a boil. And then I'm going to go in and start skimming up the foam and excess fat. Now I'm going to add in all the fried potatoes, taro, and carrot and give it a good stir. You can have a taste and see if you would like to add any extra salt or chicken stock or sugar to your taste at this point. I'm going to cook for another 25 to 30 minutes on medium heat until the chicken is nice and tender. And now the cooking is done. I'm going to take out the curry and place in a large bowl. And here's our delicious curry with some sliced bread. Time to enjoy and have a taste now. So good. The chicken is perfectly tender. And I'm going to rip some of the bread and dip it in the sauce. So yummy! Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed this video on how to cook this delicious chicken curry Vietnamese style. Please give me a big thumbs up if you enjoy this video and please share it. And please subscribe to my channel by clicking the button down here. And we'll see you in the next video. Thanks again for watching. Bye!